Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have here Coach Robert Omonte and Sammy Davidson of the PLDT High School Hitters who won in straight sets against the Zeus Coffee Thunderbells. Coach, congratulations on this win onto the semifinals na yung PLDT. Can you talk about lang din paano na-overcome ng team yung challenge knowing na yung Zeus may tendency talaga sila to make comebacks pero ngayon nakuha na yung win in straight sets?
Siguro isa dun sa naging advantage lang yung galing sila sa back-to-back. Mahirap naman talaga yung kulang yung pahinga. At the same time, part ng objective namin na huwag mag-let up kahit konti eh. Kasi sanay nga si Zeus sa ganun, tulad nung sa last game. So yun nga, ang in-advise lang naman kung kaya kontrolin, since kami naman yung medyo fresh sa pahinga, i-kontrolin na namin agad. So yun nga, buti nakuha naman ang please.
Thank you, Coach. And best player of the game, Sabi, with 28 points. This is just some of your few games back for PLDT, but how proud are you of how you played tonight against Zeus Coffee?
I think overall it's just the environment that the girls are able to give me. I feel comfortable, I feel confident, with them by my side. So a huge thanks for them supporting me, whether I'm here, whether I'm elsewhere, but just the welcome back is, feels good.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, can you talk about lang yung pagbabalik ni Sabi first full game niya? Since nung Cebu hindi pa siya masyado naglaro. Pero ito grabe, 28 points agad din na knockout game.
Yun naman din yung isa sa goal namin na from pagbalik niya, unti-unti muna yung pag-integrate sa lineup. At the same time, ganoon din kasi yung respect namin sa Zeus, lalo kala Job na ilang games na nagpo-produce ng double digits. So, yun na yung pinaka-hinanap namin na pangontra talaga, which is yun kay Sab. Naging bonus na lang din kasi nga, nasalo niya yung load na usually pinaghahatian nung tatlo ni either Keisha, Jovi, tas kay Kiana, saka yung sa mga middles namin. So, hopefully maayos pa namin para hindi pa laging marami yung attempts ni Sab.
It's Sabi took an extended break before coming back here with the team, and there's been quite a few changes in terms of the offense in particular. So now that you're back, is the change a bit too much? We're overwhelmed by how some of the pieces changed, even though some of them are still part of the team. How was that adjustment period in a few days back here?
I see it every day in practice, and coming from the draft, we're just waiting on Aaliyah on the outside, so there's not much of an addition there. But Keisha and Jove, they give me I've said this before, but they give me a hard time in practice as well, and I'm not surprised that they were able to put up points while I was away. Not much has changed, like I said. The girls have made it more than a welcoming environment for me to come back to, and just the adjustments that I have to make are personal and not so much, team-wide.
And for Coach, yung narrative po with the team over the past few conferences is yung need for support kay Sabi on offense. And even before she returned, unbeaten nga po kayo. So, is PLDT at a point na po where you think it's stable enough na paikutin lahat with or without Sabi? Contending team na po ba talaga yung stature ng PLDT? Or still, yung presence si Sabi is a premium po na pinapahalaga niyo pa rin to be a contender moving forward?
Siguro yung naging flow lang nung preparation for this on tour is yun nga, mabigyan ng exposure si Bedonia sa kay Prado. Hindi naman din namin siguro makukuha yung situation ngayon kung hindi rin nag-perform yung mga yon like sa Lakeisha. Pero yun nga, hindi pa naman iniisip yung masyadong malayo. Talagang one game at a time lang muna kami. Talagang additional help lang talaga na nakabalik ulit si Sam. Pero yun nga, kailangan na paikot din namin tulad nung tulad ng gusto namin na regardless kung sino yung nasa bench saka yung nasa core, kaya na umikot.
Coach, follow up lang to. PLDT is always been yung sa health din. Kumbaga merong papasok, merong hindi makakalaro. Now, ito on tour, parang kumbaga medyo naging complete kayo, and with the return of Sabi rin, parang nakikita yung full lineup or full strength ng PLDT. Siguro for you, Coach, parang ito na ba talaga yung gusto nyo makita from the team? Is there something more pa na parang kaya pa mapalabas ng PLDT?
Siguro yung mga galing sa injuries, yun naman talaga yung goal na makabalik sila. Pero from the lineup namin, kahit yung last conference, kahit may mga nakabalik ngayon, marami rin naman nawala. Like yung nakalaban na si Fiola sa si Erica. Pero yun nga, kung sino yung talagang nandyan, pinrepair naman din talaga namin. Saka, yun nga, hopefully, yung original na adjustment sana nga namin yung sa player from draft, which is Aliyah nga. Pero wala pa siya ngayon. So hopefully, pag nadagdag pa siya, siguro din medyo makakonsider na full lineup na yung team.
Coach, sa on-tour so far, undefeated pa yung PLDT. So, gaano kalaking boost lang yun for the team heading into the semifinals na knockout round din siya?
Yun din. Itong round na to, ang in-explain sa kanila, tapos na yung preliminaries. Hanggang kaya namin kalimutan na yung record. Talagang yung record na yun, binigyan lang kami ng magandang schedule, tapos na. So, itong simula ng round ngayon, talagang knockout na lahat. So, wala nang basis yung naging record namin. Talagang one game at a time na lang talaga. So, ang mas iniisip na lang namin yung itong dalawang importanteng laro na lang.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Sabi.